Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can get a super high score in Block Blast. So there are many different strategies to this. You can also go on Google and read reviews of Reddit posts on the Block Blast subreddit, but one of the main ways that you can get a super high score and build yourself up to the super high score is by first of all keeping the Block Blast application open. Now from here, let's say you're starting from the start, you can go on replay. Now these have restarted the blocks and you need to wait until it automatically gives you points. As you can see right here, it automatically gave me 20 points. What this basically does is that this can give me a boost of points, and this makes it basically easier to get points as well. So you can't get sometimes points at the beginning. For example, if you press replay, sometimes you will just get 0 points. So you need to keep pressing replay until you automatically get points. Now for example, I've gotten 20 points here. Now I can continue playing from here as I want to, and it will give me a good boost of points. As you can see right here, I've got this. Now it will keep giving me points, and as you can see right here, these vertical blocks are very important as well, as you can use vertical blocks like these for some easy points, and it can give you a points boost. So this is what you'll have to do. As I said already, just go over here, just keep pressing on replay. As you can see right here, I didn't get any boost of points, so you will just keep pressing replay. Your points would be written right here. As you can see, I'm getting 0 points. Now you can see I've gotten a vertical block, a completely vertical block, and I got 10 points. Now you can just continue from here. You can use these blocks and you can keep building up, and you will make sure you get a super high score. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.